How often do you find that agents will wait to receive their commission when you're doing a subject to or seller finance? Do you pay them up front? That really just ask them, listen, do you ever run into people? And I'll tell you this at the beginning, and this market is tougher. It's going to be a lot tougher to find this. Now, in buyers markets, you'll find a lot more agents that are willing to talk to you about these things. And this is a conversation that you have with them. You say, listen, do you have any listings that you just can't sell? How often do you run into people that can't afford to pay you a commission? Okay. If we can work together, I can get you a commission on these listings that you're about to lose. Are you open to that? And some of them will have a conversation with you at that point. And what you do is you just say, listen, you've got this $200,000 house. You're looking for a $12,000 commission. What we generally try to do is just get them to discount it and then pay them. But you'll have some agents, especially older ones who've been around during the times when the interest rates were 20% and they had to think creatively back in those days. They'll be open to taking a note for commission, but most of them will go for a discounted commission that they get paid all at once before they wait or take payments. They'll go for the discounted when they cash up front. So it will happen. I'll tell you these stats. The last time that we looked for an agent to work with, we put a post in Facebook Marketplace. So, hey, we're looking for an agent. We want to buy about 10 houses here this year. We're looking for an agent to work with us. We got about 40 responses. And of course, we had a quick 5-minute phone call with each one of them to give them a little bit more detail about what we do. Out of those 45-minute phone calls, we actually had about a dozen that met with us. And out of that dozen, we found 2 that were open to working for us with a discounted commission and doing some creative stuff. So out of 40, we got 2. What's that, 5%? That's probably across the board pretty much. The agents that'll work with you, they're few and far between. But you just have to ask. You know what they say, the answer to any unasked questions, always no. Hey guys, thanks for watching. While you're here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out these other great videos and podcast episodes.